Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to turn on two-factor authentication for your LinkedIn profile. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you log into your LinkedIn profile. And for that, I'm going to go ahead now and open my Chrome browser. After you open up my Chrome browser, I will click on here to open the browser. And I'll click on here now and make sure I type in LinkedIn. And hit on enter. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on the first one right here. I will go ahead and continue with my Google account to sign in. Select your Google account. After you have successfully logged into your LinkedIn profile, next thing you want to do is to click on the profile icon. Then go ahead and click on settings right here. Now you are here. Go ahead and click on sign in and security. Then go ahead and click on two-factor authentication. Here we go. Next thing you want to do is you have secure your LinkedIn account with two-step verification. So two-step verification gives you additional security by securing a verification code whenever you sign in on a new devices. Your phone number or authenticator app helps you keep your account secure by adding additional layer of verification. Your phone number also helps others who are connected with you. You can always decide how you want your phone number to use. Click on setup right here. Then we send a 6-digit PIN. So we sent a code to your mail. Go ahead and open up your mail. Then I have to go ahead and open my Gmail right here. Then here is the PIN. I will open up it. And I'll click and hold down just to copy the PIN. Copy. Then go back to my LinkedIn page. Click on here. Then I'll make sure I paste the PIN. Click on submit. Now you have secure your LinkedIn account with two-step verification. Authenticator app is here. So click on here. You have Authenticator app or you have your phone number. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use Authenticator app. So make sure, so once you select Authenticator app, go ahead and hit on continue. Then you'll be asked to enter your LinkedIn password to make this change. Go ahead and enter your LinkedIn password. Then hit on submit. Then here you go. Now you have your passkey right here. So here, what you need to do is to click on here to copy your passkey. Once you copy your passkey, go ahead and use your Authenticator app. There are so many Authenticator apps you can use out here. You can either use Google Authenticator app or you can as well use your Microsoft Authenticator app. So for you to use any of the app, just go to your Play Store, download any of the Authenticator app. When you download it, run the setup with your Google account. After you run the setup with your Google account, go back here and make sure you copy this passkey. Paste the passkey into your Authenticator app, then give a consent and the account will be fully secure and connect with the Authenticator app. With that, you have secured your LinkedIn profile by enable two-factor authentication. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.